Never go quietly into the night. Introducing the boldest bagger ever to hit the road. This is the Victory Magnum.
Hit the gas and don't look back now. I think you're my kind of trouble. I think you're my kind of fun. I think you're my kind of trouble. Let's run.
The big wheel bagger rides on a 21-inch front wheel, the largest rim on the road. The slammed back end gives it a sleek profile, and 6 speakers blast out 100 watts.
There ain't nobody else that I can trust.
The Magnum cranks our loudest sound system ever.
Leave 'em standing in the dust. Hit the gas and don't look back now.
At night, the Magnum doesn't lay down to rest. It keeps cranking. The Victory Magnum. Envy comes standard. Victory Motorcycles. Ride one, and you'll own one.